Okay, I had a fun idea. That involves food, of course, because, you know, food. Basically, you probably are looking at the title of this video and you're just like, why did I click on this? But, you know, there's a reason. I think. I don't know if it's a good reason, but there is a reason, and a reason exists, so you're welcome. But, oh my gosh, I've had too much caffeine. But anyway, today I thought it would be fun to hop in the car and drive to some fast food restaurants and get one thing at each place, and that is French fries. So we're gonna be going to like 4 or 5 different fast food places, ordering French fries, and then seeing which French fry tastes the best. So basically, it's a French fry taste test. I just tried to be more creative with it, but it's literally just a French fry taste test because I want to see what the best French fry is, because I think French fries are better than the burgers themselves. So actually, is that even true? Am I just like kind of making that up for the camera? No, I think I like the French fries and the burgers equally, but I don't want to ruin my dinner, so we're only eating French fries. And plus, I already came up with the idea, and it's French fries, not burgers. So we'll do a burger one later and see which fast food place has the best burgers. Let's go get some French fries. The first place we're going to is Burger King because that's just easier, like driving wise. Let's go consume some French fries, and we're gonna be rating them, and I'm gonna be talking about their saltiness level. And actually, I don't know how to do a food taste test. We'll just figure this out as we go. Okay, cool. Okay, we're at Burger King. I'm excited. You know what was creepy that just happened? When I was driving over here, I started like singing a song because, you know, that's what I do, is sing along and have a concert in my car. Wait 1 second, it's time to order. Hi, can I just get a small fries, please? Anyway, as I was singing this song, you know, and then the song plays on the aux cord, which was weird and creepy, and this whole day I've just kind of been feeling like I've been living in a simulation. Don't know what it is, just, I don't know. I've also been really interested in listening to podcasts lately, so I kind of want to start one. I feel like just the way I talk, like the mannerisms I talk, like I say the word like too much, that would just be too annoying for a podcast, so it's not gonna happen. But I like talking like I'm on a podcast now, even though I literally just started listening to podcasts like 2 days ago, and I want my fries. Am I doing okay? Probably not. Okay, I will see you when you get my fries, because you're probably tired of hearing the sound of my voice and you want to hear the fries. What? Okay, yeah. Now I'm in the Wendys drive-thru line, and it's time to try the Burger King fries in the Wendys drive-thru line. So, we have these. Burger King, perfect. Let's just try them. It's long and it's nice. Let's go.
That's really good.
They're really good. They have the perfect amount of like potato-iness, but they could use a little bit more salt. I love them.
So good.
I'll give them like a 7 out of 10. Yeah, that's a good score, right? That's like a, oh wait, that's like a C. I'll give them a 7.5 out of 10, 75%. They have apple pecan salads at Wendy's. Well, maybe I should get that. But I feel like if you come to a fast food place, you go to the fast food place for a burger, not for a salad. Or like for chicken. But, you know, I have to be open-minded. That's always a quality people want in life and in job interviews. Can I get a small fries, please? Okay, let's try the Wendy's fries. What was weird though is I was literally in that line for, I don't know, probably about 3 to 4 minutes, but the 2 cars that were in front of me, like there was 1 car at the window, then there were 2 cars in front of me, then there was me. The 2 cars that were in front of me, they like pulled around and drove off. So I mean, that was good that I got up to the front of the line faster, but I don't know why they drove off. Some people I guess just don't have patience, but whatever, I do, and I got my fries as a result. These ones are thinner, and they're also less expensive too, so. These are really good too. These ones have the perfect amount of saltiness. But like, you know the thickness of a fry, like the amount of potato that's in the fry? I liked how Burger King did that better, you know? It's like if you combine this fry with the Burger King fry, it would be perfect. But this is about at the same level as the Burger King fry. I'd give this one a 7.5 too. Wow, I'm really good at this. I'm just gonna give everything a 7.5. Well, let's see what it is at the next place. Okay, we're at Sonic now. Hi, can I get a small fries, please? Well, that was the fastest service, but you know, this video is not called the ultimate service of fast food restaurants. No. I don't know why that video would exist, but okay, it doesn't matter. We got the fries. Oh my gosh, that's so hot. Literally, it's burning my mouth. Let's say out of all the three of them, these are the freshest because they're the hottest. So I assume they were cooked recently because they're hot. Makes logical sense, right? These ones also out of the three of them are the most like squishiness. Does that make sense? Like they have the best texture and like shape, I guess. But the taste, I don't taste any salt. There's just not really a taste there. So I'm gonna give this a 5 out of 10. They're good. They're okay, but they're not the greatest, you know? So far, I haven't found like a single drive-through fry that I have like in love with yet. Because my two favorite fries are the Five Guys, just their normal fries. Those are so good. Those are either my favorite or the Smash Burger Rosemary fries. I like fries a lot, if you cannot tell. But anyway, let's go to the final destination, and that is our favorite, the good old McDonald's.
Hi, can I get a small fries, please?
Oh, that was 1 cent more expensive than the Wendys and Sonic one. Ooh, got the last fries, even though it says Egg McMuffin. Oh, bonus points for McDonald's because they actually gave me a napkin, unlike literally everyone else. So thank you, McDonald's. Let's taste it. Yep, those are the best. 8 out of 10. Perfect amount of saltiness, and they're like not too underdone and they're not too overdone. So obviously that's the definition of being well cooked. They're just the right temperature too. They didn't burn my mouth. I did not eat all of them, but those are really good. I really enjoy French fries, and McDonald's, they did it again. But anyway, you guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. Go taste some of these French fries. Tell me which tell me which French fry type is your favorite. Let me know. And thanks for watching. I'll see you again in my next video. Subscribe, hit the thumbs up button, and bye.